Chemical Guys family, it's Paulina.
And it's Quicks. Today we're going to be showing you 3 different ways of how to protect your vehicle by using our Hydro line. We're going to be using our Hydrospin, Hydroview, and Hydroblitz.
And if you guys had watched my last previous video on me learning how to polish, I had mentioned at the ending that I wanted to learn how to use ceramic protection on a vehicle.
What's the next thing you want to learn?
Ceramic coating.
All right, she wants to do ceramic coating.
There's nothing better than learning how to do it on this beautiful Z06 Corvette.
And Paulina, today's your lucky day because I'm going to show you 3 simple steps of how to protect this car.
Awesome.
All right, Paulina, let's get to work. The first product I'm going to be demonstrating is going to be our Hydrospin. So it's not going to only clean, but it's also going to protect.
And why are we going to be starting with the wheels first?
So the wheels are the most dirtiest part of the car, so you want to make sure you clean off the dirtiest part of the vehicle first before you move on to anything else.
As you can see.
She's gonna enjoy this. All right, Paulina, so first thing you're gonna be doing is just spray directly onto the wheel. When I mean the wheel, I mean the actual rim, not the tire, the rim. So just put a couple sprays. Grab your microfiber towel and wipe on the rim. And Paulina, I know you have a question. I know you drive a different type of car, so I know you're gonna ask me if you can use this on every type of wheel. And yes, you can use it on chrome, stock wheels, on all type of wheels, but you can use it on matte.
Oh, luckily I don't have matte.
Well, there you go. So simply just wipe off. So now that I'm done with this half of the wheel, Paulina, I'm gonna go ahead and give you a towel, give you Hydrospin, and let you go to work.
And does Hydrospin produce any type of properties, protective properties for my car?
Yes, it is. So it's gonna leave protection behind. If you have that brake dust bond to the surface, it's gonna be very hard to clean. And of course, you don't wanna be rolling around with dirty wheels, do you?
No. Because I've been there, done that. But now that I know about Hydrospin, I definitely won't, and neither should you. So how do you think I did?
I think you did a good job, but let me just grab this towel right here, grab a little bit more right here. But looks great to me. Now let's get to the other wheels.
Cool. So the rims look amazing, and I have another towel in my hand, purely clean. I'm ready to clean again. What are we gonna do next? The paint or the glass?
So Paulina, good question. We're gonna be moving on to the glass. Look at your glass, Paulina. How are you gonna be driving like that? It's so dirty. So
that's why I got my glasses on.
So we're gonna be using our Hydroview. So Hydroview is not gonna only clean, but it's also gonna protect. Now, the question I know what you're gonna ask me next is gonna be, what does it protect? It protects from water droppings, from bird droppings. So anything that lands in the glass is not gonna bond to the surface, so it's just gonna repel right off. All right, Paulina, let's get to work.
Let's do it.
Now that we're at your windshield, look at this. Look how dirty you've been driving. Look at all this. What? So we want to make sure we're clean and protected. So I'm gonna show you a simple way of how to do it with Hydroview. All you're gonna do is spray directly onto the glass, and you're just gonna wipe off. And as you're wiping the glass down, it's also leaving protection behind, so no water spotting is gonna embed itself into the windshield.
Nice. I can already see the difference already.
Woo! Yeah, now you can see out of it.
Now I definitely can. Glasses off.
All right, Paulina, so it's time for our final step. So for the final step, I chose Hydroblitz. Do you know why I chose Hydroblitz?
Why did you choose Hydroblitz?
Because previously I washed, clayed, and waxed the car with butter wax, and I wanted to use Hydroblitz because it's a hybrid. Do you know what hybrid means?
Yes, hybrid means that it's both wax and ceramic infused. The wax will help boost that protection, and the ceramic will leave a nice, slick ceramic finish on your vehicle.
Perfect, you're right. So let's get back into this.
Let's get into it.
First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure the car's nice and cool. You don't wanna spray this directly in the sun. You wanna make sure you're in the garage or in a nice cold area. So simply, all you're gonna do is spray directly onto the surface, grab your premium microfiber towel. So all I'm doing here is grabbing all that dirt and dust, leaving that nice deep shining protection behind. So you wanna give it a shot?
Nice, yeah.
All right, here you go.
Nice.
Perfect, so it seems like you've learned a lot, so I'm just gonna let you finish the whole car. See you.
Cool.
All right, Paulina, now that we're done in the garage, let's take this baby outside and let's go see our work, see how good it looks.
Awesome.
All right, let's go. All right, Paulina, now that we got it all washed up, clayed, waxed, ceramic, protected, now it's time to go cruising.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.